Travel and expenses covered by Warner Brothers.
Okay, so I've made it to the airport. This morning was horrible. It wasn't horrible, it was just very hectic. I had to finish filming my video, then pack, and I woke up with a sore throat, so it just like everything just got shifted. But the good news is I've made it. I am here. Wes is here. I'm gonna go hang out with him. He's watching my bags right now. But we're headed to Dallas first, and then off to Brazil.
Yo, Wes, what's good? What's going on?
So we're the early crew.
Yes.
We're getting there early so that we can adjust, and then everyone else is coming the next day.
Because sleep is nice.
Yeah.
Especially before going to events and things.
Yes. Getting acclimated. Also, my workout buddy.
Yes.
He's working out every single
the
day.
gym.
Yeah, to the gym.
We're saying that right up until we have like a really heavy dinner, and we're like,
it's like, I ate too much steak, maybe.
Oh, man.
Yeah, we'll see. We're gonna try and keep each other accountable.
Nap on the treadmill.
Hey.
You're at the gym technically.
Got the essentials, got my laptop because I have to finish up some work, my little pack that has everything I need, like my face mask, antibacterial, noise cancelling headphones, and my Switch. Also testing out noise cancelling on my AirPods Pro, so I've been waiting to fly so I can test out to see. Oh, right there, the seal is amazing and it works really well, but like, just wondering how it does on a plane. Ooh, we made it to Texas. Heading to the lounge to get some stuff done, which is like the fancy place for people who have fancy tickets. And there's fancy food and free internet. It's supposed to be a treat, guys. There's a fancy first class dining experience on the plane. Situating in first class, got my luggage all put away, getting ready to be comfy. This actually turns, the seat like turns that way, and this becomes my desk, which is super cool. And I watched a YouTube video on it. Yeah, this is my little home for the next couple of hours. Wow, cool. Guys, I am now venturing into Tuesday because I basically time traveled a tiny bit, but I've made it to my hotel room. Just want to show you. Got cool little snacks here. Give you a better tour. A sweet bathtub. Oh yeah, looking cool. There's a toilet. There's a shower. Oh my gosh, nice. That's cool. I like that. And then over here, got a desk area. And then got like the whole bedroom. Oh, I should have zoomed out earlier. Okay, this is my spot. Oh, this smells very nice. Okay guys, truth is I gotta end this vlog because we're already bleeding into Tuesday's Life Brewery, which is gonna be very relaxing. A lot of me just hanging out, chilling and relaxing. Haven't even got to look at comments from yesterday's vlog because I tried looking up the comments while I was on the plane, but they wouldn't load up, so I'm excited. I'm gonna do that in just a second. I'm gonna catch some hopefully some region locked Pokemon while I'm here. let me know if there's anything I need to do while I'm in Brazil. I'm super excited for what this week has in store, and also very pumped that you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas. I almost said Lifebury, because that's what it feels like. It feels like Lifebury. Alright then, I gotta edit this and get a little sleep in. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!